Okay, you guys, so I've washed all of these bags. So this is months later. I don't know, some of you don't know. If you don't remember that I've made these bags myself. This one, that one, this one, this one, and that one. It goes all the way down to the bottom there. And I washed all of these and they still look the same. They're still sturdy. I'm about to be making some more. This one I use as a work bag and it's still sturdy. No rips or nothing like that. This one still sturdy. Nothing wrong with it. I use it as my little wallet or whatever now. Nothing is wrong with it. No rip, no tears, no nothing. The cell phone bag, the little charger port right there. Well, that's for me, honey, sticking the charger in and out. Just my phone. But it did not come from washing. So washing this, no rips, no tears, no nothing. This I use as a makeup bag, no rips, no tears, no nothing. Paperwork, like receipts and stuff. No rips, no tears, no nothing. So if you buy a bag from me, just know no rips, no tears, no nothing.